Hi, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome to my page. So I'm going to apply the Olaplex 0 and the Olaplex 3. These are my treatments for today. And you ideally want to do this on non-build-up hair. I've never had so much of definition in all these months. And I really think Olaplex makes a great difference. So if you haven't tried it yet, you should. The number 0 first. Okay, it comes in a nozzle bottle like this. So you just take some and then just sprinkle it like this. Can you see? And then you work with it. It's really precious. Okay, it's so expensive. So you want to when you're pouring it, you want to catch it. Don't waste even a drop of it. Now doing the 1 and 2 at the salon can be a little expensive. So you do this at home. But if you're just starting, that's when your hair is probably the worst, right? With the most damage and manipulation, and you've been brushing your hair and tying it in tight ponytails. All that can cause all that can cause damage also. So yeah, I definitely recommend this to beginners to sort of kickstart your journey. My hair is bleached, it's colored, it's coarse, so it's very rough. So for me, I need it practically every other wash day for me. But if your hair is not bleached or damaged, but it just has maybe some color, or you're just a beginner and then you probably need this once or twice a month. That's it. This is supposed to be on dry hair. Okay, if your hair has built up, because obviously some people like to use oils and all that, then it's safe to actually go and shampoo and condition your hair. Let it dry, and then maybe the next day let your hair rest, and the next day you could do this Olaplex. I wouldn't shampoo and condition twice in a day. So that's why I said if you have build up, then you shampoo and condition, and then let your scalp and hair rest for 1 day. And then tomorrow on dry hair, you apply this. Yeah. But if you have healthy hair, then you don't have to do all this. Healthy hair doesn't need anything. Because I diffuse on heat, so my ends get really damaged. So I focus on the ends also. This in your hair for 10 minutes. And then you apply the 3. So you can spray warm water in your hair, or you can put on your steamer to get your hair in damp status, and then apply this. So I took 1 little drop, right? So I'll take some more and focus on the ends. So the thing is, you don't need too much with these products, okay? They're really concentrated, so don't use too much. This 1 little thing, for my hair, I get 4 to 5 applications. So just 1 drop per section for me. So I made 3 sections. So 1, 2 and 3 here. 0, I did this on dry hair, and then I applied 4 little dollops of Olaplex 3 over this. Now I'm going to keep this 20 minutes, and then I'll go wash my hair. So that is shampoo, condition, and then I'll deep condition and style. So that is my process. Okay. Thank you. I will share my results. Hi. So these are my results from Olaplex. Wait, I'll show you. I'll show you in the better light.
No, she's not. She must be with Adaboni.
Okay, everybody shush. Okay, look. Look, it's like you can't even. It's like right? So yeah, Olaplex to the rescue.